What's up guys, it is Sam here from Sam and Gino Talk Money, and just something that's kind of occurred to me just very briefly there. I was looking at what's happened with Nvidia, I was looking at a bit of the price points and just looked at it like, I was like, this doesn't really make sense whatsoever. I don't understand why there's massive amounts of billions going into this, and the price to earnings ratio, the price to free cash flow is going crazy, and the revenue, the price to sales to the amount of value that it has is just absolutely nuts. So I just looked at this and I was like, this just doesn't make sense. So I've just taken a bit of action. I've just looked at this, looked at what it is, and was like, okay, this is up 25% today nearly, and I'm just going to basically do a short on Nvidia just for a short-term play, short-term gain. It's a bit of a gamble, but I'm basing it off a lot of the price points that I'm seeing. So guys, look, I'm just going to go look at the price points just in the video here, and we'll just see why I think this is actually a good idea. And look, if you don't agree with me, you don't agree with me. Don't take this as financial advice or anything like that, but it's just something that I see as a potential trade to do, like basically right now, and I think it's a good trade for myself just to make basically some money on a short position. So guys, I'm going to get straight into the video, just have a quick look at the price points, explain why I'm doing this. So guys, this is Nvidia's breakout, basically getting to the all-time high that it's ever had before, and like I was just looking at it, and like this PE ratio is absolutely crazy. 218. Like the average for the market is around the 16 to 18 mark for a well-established company. You will pay more for a up and coming company, but this is absolutely crazy. Like, and I think this today's spike, bringing it to like nearly a 940 billion market cap for a company that's not even going to do 40 billion in revenue this year, is absolutely crazy. And look, there's no doubt that it will have massive growth in the future, but this is just absolutely nuts. And like I'm looking at it, so they're seeing that Nvidia is going to actually decrease potentially this year. Some are saying that it will grow. The profit margin is actually down as well. But you're looking at this, like even the forward PE of 63, a trading PE, but that's with their yesterday's market. That's their yesterday's information. That's still very high, like, and that's gone up a crazy amount today. So it's looking at this, and I just can't see why it's valued at this. I know it's a great company, great balance sheet, a great company overall, but the valuation on this is absolutely crazy. Like, you are paying through the nose for this. It just makes pretty much no sense to me. I can't understand it. I just don't think this is a stock that you should be owning at this price. I think it's something that needs to fall in half, even maybe more, to warrant buying it. Like, this is an absolutely crazy valuation, and I just see that this is a company that you could open up a short position on. Look, this is a pretty rushed video. I just try to get it out there to see what I'm doing, and yeah, I am opening like a small short position on Nvidia, just basically as a bit of a play, just to make some short-term money, as I don't think this is going to last too much longer. I could be made to eat my words, but I don't think that this valuation is sustainable. I think that it's going to go down because the fundamentals of the company do not match this. And even as you go through like the analysis, like even next year, like they're not even predicted by analysts that are normally quite generous. They don't actually even hit the 40 billion mark. So I think this is absolutely crazy. Even if you're looking at price to sales, from yesterday's it was 26, so it's even more now. One thing that is promoting this to do so well, like, is that their revenue for this quarter was just over the 7 billion mark. It was expected to be less than this, but for next quarter they've guided for 11 billion, which is a massive jump. And look, I see that is positive, and they've come through a rough patch, and this is a positive statement to make, but it's not worth the amount of money that has been put into it, and that is why I'm opening up a short position. Look, I just want to make this quick update. That's just what has happened, what I'm doing. I think this is potentially a good play, but yeah, look, it's not financial advice. Don't copy me in any means, and I could be made to eat my words, but I don't think I'm going to be eating my words from this short-term play on the video. I think this is pretty much a no-brainer based on the valuation points. So guys, thanks a lot for watching. Make sure you do subscribe and hit the like button, and we'll see you in the next one.